Hey guys, what's up? Guys. Whenever we see an aircraft flying, only one thing comes in our minds, the pilot. The pilot must be the one flying the aircraft. Yes, pilot is an important person. But there is another important thing that can't be ignored, because of which aircraft becomes airworthy. And without which flying is incomplete. It is aircraft maintenance engineering. So, let's get started. Let's talk about the eligibility. The minimum age requirement for an aircraft maintenance license is 18 years. The candidate must have completed basic school and intermediate. Then comes European Aviation Safety Agency, EASA. Then candidate must take admission in EASA 147 approved organization. Aircraft maintenance license includes following categories. Cat A. Cat A1, gas turbine aircrafts. Cat A2, piston aircrafts. Cat A3, turbine helicopters. Cat A4, piston helicopters. Then comes B1 and B2. B1 is for aerospace and B2 is for avionics. Cat B has 4 categories. Cat B 1.1, gas turbine aircrafts. Cat B 1.2, piston aircrafts. Cat B 1.3, turbine helicopters. Cat B 1.4, piston helicopters. Then comes type course. Cat C. Type rating on a specific aircraft. There is no category in B2. B2 is only avionics. Experience requirements. For EASA 66 organization. Cat A, 3 years of practical maintenance experience on operating aircraft. Cat B 1.1 and B2, further 2 years of practical maintenance experience on operating aircraft. Cat C, 3 years of practical maintenance experience on operating aircraft. For EASA 147 organization. Cat A, 2 years of practical maintenance experience on operating aircraft. Cat B 1.1 and B2, further 1 years of practical maintenance experience on operating aircraft. Cat C, 3 years of practical maintenance experience on operating aircraft. Now the question is, what is B1 and B2? B1 or B2 is the basic aircraft maintenance license, where B1 represents an aerospace engineer and B2 represents an avionics engineer. A candidate can get either B1 or B2 after completing all the required modules and required practical maintenance experience. After getting B1 or B2 licenses, a person can certify the maintenance tasks carried out by Cat A license holder and can sign the CRS, Certificate of Release to Service, of an aircraft on the line maintenance after making sure that aircraft is airworthy. This means that Cat B certifying staff, after obtaining the proper internal authorization from the Part 145 company, airline, has sufficient skill and knowledge to deal with anything that may come up during such maintenance. No aircraft can fly without getting its CRS signed by Cat B certifying staff. Next thing is, what are the modules? EASA B 1.1 has 13 modules plus 4 essays, while EASA B2 has 12 modules plus 4 essays. Module 1 to Module 10 are same for both, except Module 4 and 5 which are of higher level for B2, and lower level for B 1.1. The difference in the modules in both categories starts after these 10 modules, as Module 11, Aircraft Aerodynamics, Structure and Systems, Module 15, Gas Turbine Engine, and Module 17, Propellers, are for B 1.1, while Module 13, Aircraft Aerodynamics, Structure and Avionics Systems, and Module 14, Propulsion, are for B2. While essays are same for both, Module 7 has 2 essays, and both of them must be passed. Module 9 and 10 have 1 essay each. If your organization is EASA 147 approved, it will take 2 years to complete all the modules with the practical training. But if you are only doing modules from EASA 66, it will take additional time to complete your practical training. After completing all the required modules, practical experience, and the type course, submit your record and documents to the competent authority of your country. You will get your aircraft maintenance engineer license. If your country is non-EASA, you can send your documents to EASA country. Documents including birth certificate, passport copy, certificate of recognition, personal logbook and EASA 147 approved modular certificates using EASA Form 19. And then authority will send you basic AML. To apply for type entry EASA Form 19, basic AML, certificate of theory, PET logbook and OJT logbook will be sent to the competent authority of EASA country. Authority will send you AML type entry. Now you are a certified aircraft maintenance engineer.